Today we'll start a new chapter. That is the chapter number 12. That is electricity. Okay, one of the most important chapter. Okay, so electricity today we'll learn. Everyone can hear me, right? Okay, so yeah. So okay. Yes, Lito. Just for the introductions time, yes, I will give you like this. Okay. So say what we are going to learn from this chapter. Let us highlight first. Okay. So we'll learn today this chapter that is electricity, and from this chapter we'll learn that is electric currents and circuits. Second point, electrical potential and potential difference. Yes, I write P, okay, potential difference. And number third, say circuit diagrams, electrical circuit diagrams. And number four, Ohm's law. And number five, factor in which the resistance of a conductor depends. Okay, yeah, new terms you will find here. Okay, new terms you will find here, so no problem. You have to know, okay, and here the heating effect of electric current, heating effects, okay, and the next is the resistance and electrical power. Okay, so all these are very important. Okay, as a human, we are living along with our society, and also every day we depend on this electricity. Okay, so if you have the knowledge about all these things, then you don't need to be so scared of this electricity and all. So why we should always depend on the electricians. When they are not there, then who will repair? Right. So we have to know all these things. And this chapter is very important that without this electricity, what may happen in this present world? Without this electricity, we will be just like, say, we are going back to the stone age. We will feel like that, right? So now, as right now also, what we are, I am giving you the class to you. I am delivering class to you also. It is because of this electricity. Okay, so that we charge to the mobile and through all this system. Means if I have the mobile, but the network, all this network service also, if they don't get this electricity, then I cannot deliver the class to you also, right? So in this present world, the electricity has a very high importance. Okay, very importance, we can say. Okay, so about this chapter only, we are going to learn. Okay, so you can note down what we are going to learn from this chapter. Okay, this is what we are going to learn. Okay, from this chapter. Okay, so that's without writing also. Okay, I am going to share this video again in maybe in my say YouTube channel, or you say it may be in our school app. Okay, I am going to share this one again. Okay, so no, don't worry. So we'll learn now. Okay, so I run it. Okay, so listen, I keep this, I'm not mood, okay, I'm not keeping mood to you all. Why? Because during the class time, I may ask you some questions, but if your backgrounds, okay, noise is increased, then surely I may, this one also, okay, I will give the mood to you all also, okay. So just listen and try to maintain the class, okay. Okay, front as you wish. Okay, so first of all, we have to know the importance. Okay, so where electricity is used, we have to know. So we have to know electricity is used in every corner of the world, we can say. Okay, so means like we are using in the school, home, office, right? And the factories, industry, and all in all the parts. Okay, whatever the developments come, then this is because of this electricity, we can say. Okay, so electricity is used in every corner of the world. Okay, yeah, and here we have to know about electricity, but before knowing that one, we have to know the charge. Okay, so charge, what is charge? Okay, because charge is the factor in which the electricity, flow of the electricity and all are possible. Okay, so charge is such a physical quantity. Okay, so it is a physical quantity, okay, which experience a force, okay, which experience a force to another object, okay, which experience a force to the another object. It is charge is very wonderful, okay, very amazing thing, okay, and it's a physical quantity only because of this charge, okay, it's made, okay, it experience a force to the, okay, yes, okay, these are also there, okay, force, okay, experience a force to the another object. Okay, so for example, for this charge, in an electric current carrying wire, suppose this is a current carrying wire, and if you bring, in a current carrying wire, charge is present. Okay, so that will come in the electrical current when I explain electrical current. But first of all, you try to understand the charge. Okay, so suppose you take this is a current carrying conductor, and here you bring a magnetic compass. When you bring a magnetic compass nearby this current carrying wire, then you will find that these magnetic needles, it will deflect. Okay, why it is deflect? Because here in this current carrying wire, some charge is there. Okay, and due to that charge, it experiences a force. Okay, so that's why I here right here, which experience a force to the another object. Good point. Yeah. And here you have to know there are two types of charts. Okay, so type of charts now. Types of charts. There are two types of charts. Number one is that there is the positive charge. And you must keep in mind that charge is denoted by Q. Either small q or big letter Q, no problem. Okay. So positive charge, and this is plus VE. Okay. And the second one is the negative charge. Okay. One is the positive charge, and another one is the negative charge. Okay. So there are two charges. That is the positive and negative charge. And because of this charge only, the current flow of the current will be there. Okay, so after this one, we are going to learn the what is that? That is the currents. What is current or a defined electric current and all. Okay, yeah. So far, any problem? Okay, now, yeah. Okay, so then we'll go proceed. Okay, Tamuk Yani. Okay, so we'll proceed to the next point. Okay, so what is that? We will discuss to the currents. Okay. Okay, electric currents. So we are going to define electric current. See here, if you learn physics, you must be little bit technical. It is not like your literature. Okay, so you must be little technical. Okay, so the technical knowledge only here going to come. So we already learned about the charge. There are two charges, positive and negative charge. Okay, yeah. Okay, before going through these charges, electric current. Let me explain you some more terms about the charge here. Yeah. So here, the light charge, okay, light charge repel, okay, repel each other, okay. That means when we try to bring the same light charge together, then here, okay, just 1 second, okay, I will keep you mute, okay, so. Okay, so this light charge, they repel each other. Okay, when we bring to light charge, then we will try to bring nearby them, they will repel each other. That is in the opposite directions. Okay, they will give force. Okay, so this means we positive, positive. okay, we bring together, then they will repel. Okay, they will repel. Or let's say negative, negative, we bring together, then they will repel each other. Okay, this is the first point. And second point, there is the unlike charge. Unlike charge attract each other. Okay, unlike charge attract each other. There is a positive and negative, they will attract. Okay, and yeah, same thing. The negative or you say positive, they will attract each other. Okay, just keep in mind. Like charge, they repel, and unlike charge, to unlike charge, they attract each other. Okay, so this is characteristic features of the charge. Okay, and now we need to come to the electric currents. Okay, so an electric currents may be defined as the flow of charge. Okay, defined as the flow of the charge for unit time. Okay, the flow of the charge per unit time, where in a conductor we can mention. Okay, in a conductor. Okay, okay. Suppose this is an electric wire. Okay, from A to B. Okay, it has two endpoints, and here what happened? Here charge. Okay, Q. This charge is flow. Okay, per unit time. That means in 1 second, how many or how much charge is flow? Okay, in 1 second, how much charge is flow, or 1 minute, how much charge is flow in this conductor from point A to B, or later from infinity to a point, we can say from infinity to point A, okay, or a point, a specific point. Okay, so that is the what? That is the electric current. Okay, that is the electric current. Therefore, what happened? Here we can define that is the electric current is denoted by I. You know, the current is denoted by I. Electric current is okay charged by okay time. Charged by time. Okay. So therefore again we can denote I is equal to charge is denoted by Q and time by T. So here we come I is equal to Q by T. Okay, and again, from this equation, what we can make, we know that there is 1. Okay, I think you know well because you are learning mathematics here. By cross multiply, Q is equal to IT. That means the charge is equal to current into time. So these equations, these two equations, you have to keep in mind. So I नीचे का 1 जो है हटाने से ही कोई बात नहीं. Okay, so I is equal to Q by T and the Q is equal to IT. So this is the very important. Okay, that is the topic that we have to do. So it is about the electric current. Okay, the flow of current is due to the flow of the charge. Okay, मगर कौन सा वाला चार्ज वो आएगा. Okay, तो जो चार्ज जो है पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव है, that's all. Okay, so charge is the negative. Okay, that is the due to the flow of the electrons. Okay, electrons, it contains the negative charge. Okay, so that's only we are going to learn. Okay, everyone clear this one, right? Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes, Ifran. Wait. Okay. Okay. So I think from your side also you can what to call unmute. Okay. If you want to raise a question, you can unmute also. Okay. And yes, you can ask. No problem. Yes, Ifran. What do you want? Any problem? Yes. But you can. Sorry. Oh, AB is the ends. Okay, okay. Ifran, sound can't hear properly like that, right? Yeah, all of you can't hear properly. Other students, is it? Okay. Oh, 44. Is it? All right. Uh, okay, so it's okay. Just it is because of the network only. Okay, it is not for any other technical issue. It is because of the network issue only. So we'll do like this. Don't worry for that one. Okay, so we are taking the class now. Actually, it's also having the limited, and also this Zoom also giving the limited time only. Okay, so we'll proceed. Okay, so don't worry for the notes and all. Okay, so if you have any confusion, any doubt, you can ask here. Okay, and for other part, don't worry for that one. I'm recording this one from my site. Russia. Okay, so that one I will upload sure. Okay. Yes, maybe you are asking something, AB, something like that. Who is asking AB? AB is nothing. That is the suppose just we take this is the wire. It has two and this is and this one, right? So I take this is A and this is B. Okay. So this is we take it as an electrical conductor. Okay. Here the charge that is the current is passed from here to okay. When we pass current, surely it will go right. Then when this current flow, what it flow? That is it flow the charge Q. Charge is flow from the end A to B. Okay. And when it flow, it is the time limit. Okay, there is some time will be there, some minutes or some second will be there. Okay, per unit time we can say. That's why we don't mention about second or the minutes. Okay, the flow of the charge per unit time in a conductor is called the electric current. Okay, so that's one. Yeah, yeah. We already know here I is equal to charge by time, and it comes here I is equal to Q by T, or Q is equal to IT. Okay, we are going to develop some equations, some formula. Okay, so this is very important equation, and here you can write down this is equation number one. Okay, you can write down this is the equation number one. Okay, yeah. Okay, now we'll proceed to the next. That is the current only. The SI units. Okay, the SI units of that is the Unison standard system of the unit. Okay, of this current. SI unit of current is ampere. Ampere. Okay. So ampere is the name of the scientist only. Okay. By giving the regards to these scientists. Okay. So we are giving here the SI unit of current as ampere, and we are going to define 1 ampere again. Okay. So 1 ampere. It is very simple. 1 ampere. For this ampere, you have to know. We already know current is equal to what is that? Charge by time. Am I right? Then we already hear ampere. That is the current. As a unit of current is ampere, you write 1 ampere here. 1 ampere. Then what is the SI unit of charge? Okay, I didn't mention to you there, but you have to know that SI unit of charge is coulomb. What is that? Coulomb. Okay, 1 coulomb of charge. Okay. What is the SI unit of time? The SI unit of time is second. Yes, yes. It's not clear. Oh my God. Gavin Suram, is it coming? My network is good only 110 kilobyte per second. Gavin, it's clear. Menum Jelly, that will be your network problem. Yeah, so just if you can hear me, then just yeah, yes, you can listen also, no problem. Video I will post you. I told you now. Okay, so in between, my network is okay only. I check here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we'll continue now here. Yeah, the SI unit of the charge is 1 coulomb. Okay, SI unit of the time is second. Okay, that is information system only. Okay, and the SI unit of the what do you call? The current is 1 ampere. Then we can define that 1 ampere may be defined as, okay, 1 coulomb of charge. Okay, 1 coulomb of charge okay, or flowing or which flow, no problem. Okay, inside this. Okay, so 1 ampere may be defined as the 1 coulomb of charge. Okay, which flow in a conductor in 1 second. Okay, that means 1 coulomb of charge flow in a conductor in 1 second. That is known as 1 ampere. Therefore, 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. Okay, so or we can write 1 A is equal to 1 C by 1 S. So this is coming again 1 ampere. Okay, so far I think you can understand this one, right? Anyone have any questions here? One, define. Oh, 1 ampere may be defined as 1 coulomb, C-O-U-L-O-M-B, okay, coulomb of charge, okay, okay, with flow in a conductor in 1 second. Okay, so for this one, to just I write here 1 ampere. Current to just say we already know that is ampere. So just I do not only, okay. Yeah. So we already come to know about the ampere. Okay, ampere is the SI unit of what is that? Current. Okay, ampere is the SI unit of current. We already know. Okay, yeah. Then here we can proceed to the second part. Okay, that is the potential. Okay, so we can go to the electrical potential. Okay, so before going here, let us learn about the circuit again, electrical circuits. Okay, yeah. Okay. Electric circuits. Okay, so electric circuits, you have to know in this case the many circuit diagram here. Okay, at the time only you will be able to construct a circuit diagram. But electric circuit is a closed, okay, it is a closed diagram, okay, in which the electrical appliances are connected. Okay, so it is a closed figure in which the electrical components are connected. Okay, and the electrical components are connected. Okay, yeah, just simply we can say So what are the electrical components? That is very important. Okay, I'll draw the diagram first. You already learned in the lower classes also. Okay, so here.
Yeah, if you thought that your background is noise, then you must mute yourself. Okay, yeah, that's right, Revika. Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, so listen, can you hear me right? Here, this is a bulb. Okay, this is an electric bulb, and this is the connecting wire. Okay, and here this is the positive terminal, longer end is the positive and shorter end is the negative. And you must know that current, okay? So the current, the flow of the current is from positive to negative. Okay? Yeah, this one. So in relations with that electric current, you must know that here. This is a wire. Suppose you take it, you come back to the electric current, your knowledge first. We know that the flow of the current is due to the flow of charge, you know. Right. You must know that charge used to flow from, let's say you take this is positive and negative. The flow of the charge is from negative से लेकर positive side में जाता है. The flow of the charge is, that is flow of the charge मतलब flow of the electron. Okay. Metal lock क्या करता है? They can they flow electric current, right? They flow the electric current due to the क्या? They flow electric current due to the presence of the free electrons, we say, right? So, due to the presence of the free electrons, they flow the current, right? But here, you must keep in mind that that flow of the electron is, that is the charge is from negative से लेकर positive side में जाता है. Okay, and also, you know, but flow of the current as general में जो हम लोग जानता है, the flow of the current is from पॉजिटिव साइड से नेगेटिव साइड में जाता है. ओके, फ्लो ऑफ द करेंट जो क्या होता है, पॉजिटिव साइड से नेगेटिव साइड में जाता है. ओके, और फ्लो ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन तो नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव. ओके, इसमें तुम लोग कंफ्यूज होता होगा क्योंकि ये करेंट जो है कब फ्लो करता है. देयर इज अ कंडीशन दैट द करेंट विल फ्लो. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल तुम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक ड्राई सेल लेता है, ड्राई सेल को इस्तेमाल करता है, इस्तेमाल करते समय करने के बाद ये खत्म हो जाता है, मतलब बैटरी इज डेड. एट द टाइम व्हाट डू यू थिंक, द करेंट इज फ्लोइंग? नो. ओके, एट द टाइम करेंट का फ्लो नहीं होता है. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज हियर दैट इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. वन मोर टर्म इज गोइंग टू कम हियर, दैट इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. Okay, there is the potential difference between the positive and negative terminal के बीच में रहने वाला potential difference जो है क्या हो गया, दोनों equal हो गए. Okay, दोनों equal होते समय क्या होता है, that is the flow of the current नहीं होता है. Okay, so the flow of the current is due to the flow of the charge, we know that, but charge का direction है negative से लेकर positive तक, मगर current जो है positive से लेकर negative में होता है. मगर ये करंट फ्लो करने का कंडीशन में क्या आता है, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. ओके, जस्ट लाइक वाटर जो हायर लेवल से लोअर लेवल में फ्लो करता है, राइट? तो जैसे ये हायर वाला जगह में क्या होता है, हायर पोटेंशियल होता है. तुम लोग क्लास 9 में पढ़ा था, दैट इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एंड द काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ओके, एक चीज को हम ज्यादा ऊपर में रखेगा तो उसका पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ज्यादा होता है, एज यू नो. ओके, तो और ये सब सामान को ऐसा हम छोड़ते समय क्या होता है, दैट इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी को काइनेटिक एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करता है, इज़न्ट इट? सो लाइक दैट एक ड्राई सेल में क्या होता है, और कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिकल सोर्स में ये पॉजिटिव जो होता है, ये पॉजिटिव साइड में क्या होता है, हायर पोटेंशियल होता है. जस्ट लाइक वाटर को हायर डैम में स्टोर करता है ऐसा. ओके, हायर पोटेंशियल होता है. तो पॉजिटिव से लेकर नेगेटिव साइड में, ओके, ये पॉजिटिव से लेकर नेगेटिव साइड में करंट जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई द करंट फ्लो फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव. ओके, बट फ्लो ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन तो नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव. ओके, वो तो उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन के हिसाब से जाता है. ओके, तो ओके, सो दैट्स पॉइंट. या, दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. Okay, let us learn about the different electrical diagram. Okay, after then we will proceed to the potential difference. Okay, yeah, yes, all these things let us learn now. After that we'll come to the potential difference and all. Okay, and you will be able to draw all this diagram and all. Okay, so circuit diagram or important diagram, okay, or electrical diagrams we can say. Okay, so first of all we have to know, okay, so number first point is that, say, resistance. Okay, resistance. Okay, so resistance in diagrammatically how we can denote? We can denote by this one. Okay, the resistance can be denoted by this one. Okay, number two, okay, say the bulbs by like this. Okay, so दिल का shape. Okay, thus we can say simply, yeah, yeah, this one bulbs. Okay, just say the cross wire, or just say connecting wire also we can say. Okay, cross wire. Suppose there is a wire, okay, and this is another wire, then they are joined together. Okay, so like this also we can represent all this diagram also. Okay, yeah. Okay, actually this diagram we must teach you afterward also, no problem. Okay, and now we'll come to the ammeter. Okay, so new terms will come. Ammeter will be, it's also a device. It is denoted by A, okay, and having the positive and negative. All the definition will come. Ammeter is a device, okay, which is used to measure the current, okay, used to measure the current flowing in a conductor, okay. And number 5, that is the voltmeter. Voltmeter, it is also by V. It's also having the terminal positive and the negative terminal. Okay, it's also having the positive and the negative terminal also here. Okay, yeah. ओके, ये क्रॉस वायर को हम लोग थोड़ा ये बनाता है. क्रॉस वायर में ज्वाइन नहीं है. ओके, ज्वाइन वायर होना चाहिए, इसके लिए बनाना. क्रॉस वायर में क्या होगा, वो कनेक्ट नहीं है, उसका ऊपर में लेकर गया है. ओके, नंबर 6 में जॉइंट वायर. ओके, जॉइंट वायर विल बी दैट जस्ट आई मेक बिफोर. ओके, या, एंड नंबर 7 इज वेरिएबल resistance. Variable resistance, or also it is called as a rheostat. R-H-E-O-S-T-A-T-E, rheostat. Okay, so it is noted by this one. ऊपर में भी कर सकता है, नीचे में भी कर सकता है. Okay, rheostat is very simple. You know, in our day-to-day life में भी क्या करता है, हम लोग एक हीटर इस्तेमाल करता है ना. तो इलेक्ट्रिकल हीटर जो विंटर के टाइम में इस्तेमाल करता है, उसका स्टेबलाइजर टाइप स्टेप इज देयर, राइट. तो हम लोग ये हीट को ज़्यादा करना चाहते हैं, दोनों को खोलना चाहता है, तब तो हम लोग इसको करता है, राइट. और नहीं तो थोड़ा ये खाना पकाने वाला एक लाइक हीटर ऑल्सो देयर, दैट वी कैन इंक्रीज और वी कैन डिक्रीज द हीट, राइट. सो दैट इज ओनली. ओके, दैट इज नथिंग, दैट इज द वेरिएबल रेजिस्टेंस का नाम से भी जाना जाता है, और ऑल्सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज द rheostat. Okay, so rheostat, we have to keep in mind these points. Yeah, variable resistance, joint wire, voltmeter, ammeter, cross wire, valve, resistance. Yeah, so that much enough only, I think so. Yeah, fixed resistance, rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter. Okay, galvanometer also we can keep, no problem. Okay, galvanometer. Okay, galvanometer is also a device which is used to measure the small current, AB plus negative. Okay, sure, this point. Yeah, this is the important diagram that we can use. Okay, and also I think I will rub this part. Okay, so because 2-3 point also I will add here. Okay, so number 8 is there, number 9. Okay, so switch. Okay, electrical switch. Okay, okay, switch में दो condition है. Okay, sir, you are invisible. Okay, Lokan Jacob, this is due to the network problem. Okay, so no problem. So I will pause the video only, so no need to worry. Okay, switch. Switch में दो condition है. One is the open switch and the one is the closed switch. Blank हो गया. It's my network. Oh, network is somehow it's not good. Yeah, network का वजह से ओके. Yeah, switch में दो condition है. There is the open and the close. Okay, open में क्या होगा या close में क्या होगा? That we have to know. Okay, yeah. Wi-Fi, where is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi also not working. Okay. Okay, switch close. Yes, yes. Now can you hear? Yes, yes. Oh, you can see. Now? Okay, fine. Okay, switch in the closed position. Okay, the closed position is this one. Okay, either we can put like this. Okay, or just we can say like this also. Okay. क्लोज का मतलब क्या है? दैट यू हैव टू नो. क्लोज का मतलब है ये हम लोग लाइट ऑन कर रहे हैं, करंट को ऑन कर रहे हैं, ये केस में. ओके ओके. एंड नंबर 10 में स्विच ओपन. स्विच ओपन में क्या आएगा? दैट इज जस्ट द ब्लैंक. ओके, और वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस. वी कैन ड्रॉ इन दिस वे ऑल्सो. Okay, so that is the off position. The switch is in the off position. Okay, close means on. Okay, and the switch open, that means that is off position. Okay, so this point we have to know. And number 11, that is the cell. Okay, an electric cell can be denoted by these two. This is lamba one, this is the positive, and the short one, that is the negative. Okay, this is a single cell. And in the number 12, okay, in the number 12, what we can learn, that is the battery. Okay, so battery, it contains more than 2 cells. Okay, if it contains more than 2 cells, that is battery. Okay, so this is one battery, one cell, and another one here. Yes. Okay, so how many cells are present here? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there are 3 cells are present and they are joined together and it forms a battery. Okay, sure. This point you have to keep in mind. This is the battery. Okay, yeah. So these are some important circuit diagrams that we have to know. Okay, yeah. Then we can proceed to the now electrical potential, or you say the potential difference. Okay, yeah. Potential difference will proceed now. Yeah. Okay, so now comes to potential difference. Okay, so for this, for better understanding, yes, I can draw a diagram here. Okay, so this is the tap just opener only. Okay, so here we take the water here. It is filled with water, and this is up to here, this bigger one. Okay, so when this tap is open, okay, when this tap is open, what will happen? This is water, okay, this is water, but this is water only, same medium only, water. And when this tap is open, what will happen? What do you see from the diagram? Okay, so in this case, water will come from this higher level to the lower level. That means this level surely will keep down and down, and in this case, this level keep on up and up. Okay, मगर कब तक आएगा? When these two have the equal level. Okay, these two have the equal level, in the same level. Okay, in the same level, up to the same level, this water will flow from the higher to the lower. Okay, so this is what? This higher, before it has there is the high level water, right? So at a time it has what? Okay, at a time it has there is higher pressure. Okay, higher pressure. Okay, and another one has a low pressure. Okay, when we open this one only, right? So water will flow from the higher pressure to the lower level, lower pressure, until they become the same level. Like that, this electric current, okay, it also flow, okay, from the higher pressure to the lower pressure. Okay, and that will be called as the potential difference. Okay, so potential difference definition will come like this. There is the pressure difference develops in between two terminals of a source of current. Okay, pressure difference develop in between the two terminals of a source of current. Don't get confused. Source of current. Source of currents will be what? It may be a dry cell, or it may be from the, there is a supply, what I call this electric current, that is from the electric power plant. They will have the store electricity there, right? So that is by what I call the from the flowing water. Okay, they used to make this electric current through the what I call that is the dynamo, and from that dynamo only, that is this current is related to our home, right? So there will be the difference will be there. There is a pressure difference in between the developed in between the two terminals of a source is called what I call electric potential, or electric potential. Yes, we can say electric potential. Okay, just this is the general case only. Okay, and now we are going to come the technical one. Okay, so in technical again we are going to give the definitions of this potential difference. Okay, so that also will come. So this is the pressure difference. So for example, just now I drew here before also, this is the dry cell. Okay, when this dry cell comes, this is the positive end, and this is the negative end. Okay, and in between positive and negative there is the pressure difference. Okay, there is a pressure difference, and this positive terminal have the higher potential and the negative have the lower potential. So these currents will flow from the positive से लेकर negative side में वो current flow करेगा. Okay, so that's only ये source में एक source में होता है ये potential difference, right? Yeah. Then this is just normal concept of this potential difference, and now we are going to come about technically how we can define the potential difference. Okay, so potential difference is the work done. कुछ काम तो कर रहे हैं ना, यहाँ से पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव में आते समय ये क्या करता है, हम लोग ऐसा ही ज्वाइन करने करता है क्या वायर को, नहीं है ना, जो उधर में हम एक बल्ब लगाता है या कोई भी रेडियो बजाता है, क्या कुछ करता है ना, तो उसमें कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो अमाउंट ऑफ द वर्क डन, कितना काम करता है, ओके, द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन फॉर फ्लोइंग द चार्ज फ्रॉम one end of the conductor to another end. Okay, so let us discuss now for that one. Okay, so this is just simple one only, and now technically what we have to know. So the real definitions of the potential difference, according to the, just say the physical term, here it comes that the amounts of work done. Okay, the amount of work done for moving a unit charge. Okay, okay, the amount of work done for moving a unit charge from one end to another end of a conductor, okay, is called potential difference. Okay, so the amount of work done for moving a unit charge from one end to the another end of a conductor is called potential difference. Okay, so okay, and again SI unit of, okay, SI unit of potential difference को PD लिख सकता है, okay, PD, okay, potential difference is volt, V-O-L-T, okay, SI unit of potential difference is volt. Okay, you understand here, current is flowing here, okay, from this AB, मगर वो कहाँ से कनेक्ट करेगा, एक सेल, ड्राई सेल या एक इलेक्ट्रिकल सोर्स से कनेक्ट करेगा, तो उधर में कितना काम करता है, how much of the work is done, जो चार्ज मीन्स करंट है ना, ओके, कितना काम करता है जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को, ओके, एक टर्मिनल ऑफ द कंडक्टर टू द अनदर टर्मिनल में फ्लो करते समय कितना काम करता है. एक ड्राई सेल को हम लोग एक छोटा वाला एलईडी लाइट में, एलईडी बल्ब में कनेक्ट करके रखेंगे तो कितना दिन चलेगा उसको, कुछ दिन रात, नहीं तो एक दिन में भी खत्म हो सकता है, राइट. तो वो खत्म होकर वो ड्राई सेल जो खराब हो जाता है, खत्म हो जाता है ना, तो उसका काम खत्म हो गया. ओके, जो हम जो क्या था एलईडी में कनेक्ट करते समय कुछ काम तो करे ना, क्या काम करे, लाइट देने का काम करे ना, सो दैट्स ओनली, ओके, दैट इज द, वो लाइट देने का काम करता है, दैट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ द वर्क डन. ओके, कब करता है, व्हेन द चार्ज इज फ्लो, चार्ज फ्लो मीन्स करंट फ्लो करे ना, वही बात. ओके, amount of work done for moving the charge from one end of the conductor to another end, that is called as the potential difference. Okay, so therefore हम लोग इधर से आ सकता है, क्या है, potential difference is equal to क्या आ जाएगा, work done by charge. Okay, potential difference here it comes that work done by charge. और हम लोग कैसे लिख सकता है? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को हम क्या ने डिनोट करता है? V ने डिनोट करता है, V, कैपिटल V. ओके, इट कम्स टू वर्क डन तो क्या ने डिनोट करता है? कैपिटल W. एंड चार्ज तो क्या ने डिनोट करता है? Q. ओके, सो V is equal to W by Q. Okay, it comes V is equal to W. That is the work done by charge. Here it comes. Okay, and with these equations along with the current के equation जो है, हम लोग पहला equation number 1 में क्या जाना था? Q is equal to IC जाना था ना? Q, okay, no problem. Q is equal to IC. Then उधर से भी हम लोग क्या कर सकता है? उधर से हम लोग इधर से एक equation बना सकता है. चलो वो equation बनाने से पहले let us learn about the 1 volt. 1 volt क्या है? Okay, 1 volt. Okay, we have to know the 1 volt. Okay, yeah. So we already know the SI unit of the potential difference is volt. Then define 1 volt. Again, going to come now here. Okay, 1 volt, V-O-L-T. So for knowing this 1 volt here, first of all you have to know. Okay, so equation is V is equal to work done by Q. Okay, V is equal to W by Q. Then we know that we are going to define 1 volt. What do you think? What is the SI unit of work done? That is the question. The SI unit of work done is what? That is joule. Okay, Joule. Okay, that is the 1 joule by, what is the SI unit of charge? Okay, the SI unit of charge is what? You already know, that is the coulomb. Okay, that is 1 joule by 1 coulomb, C-O-U-L-O-M-B. Okay, so one V is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb, it will come. Okay, so define, how we can define? 1 volt of potential difference may be defined as 1 joule of work done. Okay, 1 joule of work done for moving 1 coulomb of the charge. Okay, in a may be defined as 1 joule of work done for moving 1 coulomb of charge, okay, in a conductor. I don't write from one end to another end of the conductor. Okay, just I make it simple. Of charge in a conductor. एक conductor होगा तो एक end से दूसरा end तो जरूर होगा ना. So that's why I don't write down. Okay, so this is the one end of the conductor to the another end of the conductor. तो therefore इधर से आता है कि 1 volt is equal to 1 joule को हम J ने डिनोट करता है, कैपिटल J, by 1 C. Okay, 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. That is the 1 joule of work done for moving, okay, 1 coulomb of the charge. Okay, so that is called as that can be defined as the 1 volt. Yeah, so this is all about the potential difference, and we are going to make the relationship between the potential difference along with the current and all. Okay, so that's one we have to conduct in the next sessions, in the next day, in the next class. Okay, you can unmute all and yes. So what you have any problem, you can ask me now. Any inquiry and all? Yes, Menu? Any doubts, any questions here? All understand? Yes. यस यस यस, हाँ, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ऐसा चीज है, ओके, कि देयर इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द, देखो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बोलने से क्या जाना है तुम लोग को, एक सोर्स ऑफ द करंट जाना है, ओके। एक सोर्स ऑफ करंट नहीं होगा तो उसका पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कभी भी नहीं होगा, ओके। एक इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर में इसमें पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा क्या, नहीं होगा। एक सोर्स होना चाहिए, एक ड्राई सेल होना चाहिए। सपोज यू इमेजिन दिस इज अ ड्राई सेल, ओके। ड्राई सेल का पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल एंड नेगेटिव टर्मिनल होता है, ओके। एक सोर्स ऑफ करंट होना चाहिए पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होने के लिए, तो वो दोनों सोर्स से ही हम लोग का ये काम करता है, ओके। जैसे कि पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल्स और नेगेटिव टर्मिनल जो होता है वो दोनों को बीच में ही ये पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होता है। कहाँ में हायर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होता है, ये पॉजिटिव साइड जो है ना, तो उधर में हायर पोटेंशियल होता है, ओके। और नेगेटिव साइड में लोअर पोटेंशियल होता है। जो हम ये पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव साइड से हम वायरिंग कर कर क्या करता है, वायरिंग करके डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट करता है। डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट करेगा तो तेरा बैटरी फट जाएगा, ओके। डोंट डू दैट वन, ओके। एंड what we do by connecting these two wire, what we connect a bulb or LED bulb हो, या तेरा क्या करता है तुम लोग, रेडियो बजाता है, क्या तेरा मोबाइल में क्या इस्तेमाल करे, हाँ, तेरा मोबाइल में भी एक ड्राई सेल है, ड्राई सेल का पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव है ना, तो वो दोनों से कनेक्ट करके ही तेरा मोबाइल चला रहे, हाँ, मेरा मोबाइल भी चला रहे अभी, ओके। सो दैट्स ओनली, ओके। तो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव जो दोनों का लेवल जो है, पॉजिटिव में हाई होते समय, हाँ, तेरा बैटरी फुल हो जाता है। जब ऊपर सॉरी, ये पॉजिटिव से, हाँ, ये उसका चार्ज जो है खत्म होते समय और दोनों इक्वल होते समय, नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव में दोनों इक्वल होते समय क्या होता है, वही टाइम पर ही तेरा, हाँ, बैटरी खराब हो गया, मतलब बैटरी कमती हो गया ना, योर बैटरी इज नॉट देयर एट द टाइम यू विल से ना, सो दैट्स ओनली, ओके। So that is called the potential difference. Got a point? Okay. तो वही है potential difference. कुछ नहीं है दूसरा कुछ. Okay. So this point you have to keep in mind. Okay. Potential difference बोलेगा तो कहाँ में होगा? एक source होना चाहिए. Okay. एक source of the current. Either battery or your car का battery हो या कोई भी ना. तो उसमें ही होगा तेरा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, आई मीन द पोटेंशियल, ओके। सो वो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव के बीच में रहने वाला, ओके, वो दोनों का इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रेशर जो है उसको बोलता है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। एंड ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस में क्या आ गया, 1 वोल्ट, और 1 वोल्ट को डिफाइन किया है 1 जूल ऑफ द वर्क डन। कितना काम करता है वो बैटरी ने, हम लोग कनेक्ट करेंगे तो कुछ काम तो करेगा ना, हाँ, तो हाउ मच ऑफ वर्क, ओके, कितना काम करता है ये बैटरी से हम लोग करंट चेक, मतलब इधर से पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव से कनेक्ट कर कहा में, कोई भी चीज, आइदर फैन में हो या बल्ब में हो या कोई भी जगह में कनेक्ट करते समय कितना काम करता है ना, ओके। फॉर मूविंग द चार्ज ना, चार्ज क्यों बोले, करंट है ना, करंट तो फ्लो कर ही वो काम करेगा ना, तो उसको बोलता है दैट इज 1 वोल्ट, 1 वर्क डन फॉर मूविंग चार्ज, ओके। कितना काम करता है वो चार्ज को फ्लो करते समय, उसको बोलता है वोल्ट, एंड 1 वोल्ट इज द 1 जूल ऑफ वर्क डन फॉर मूविंग 1 कलम ऑफ चार्ज, ओके। चार्ज के यूनिट कलम होता है, इसलिए हम लोग कलम में बता रहे हैं, ओके, क्लियर, या। सो दिस इज फॉर टुडे, एंड वी विल हैव yeah, timetable will be given by principal sir today itself, okay, for tomorrow, okay, and we'll continue the next session. Yes, who is that? Aditya also present. Okay, let me check once, okay. So far 15 of you na, okay. Akash, Aditya also there na with you, right? Okay, okay, okay. Okay then. Yes, yes. Who is that? Yeah, anything you want to say? Sriram? Okay. Then for today, our class. Okay, I already, I think almost passed this one. Okay, I don't know other class having or not. Okay, then for today, all the students, I hope you understand, and surely I will post this video to the groups or just say in my channel also. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll have the next sessions. I mean, in the next day, we'll have the next class again. Okay, then, thank you all. Okay. Okay, study nicely, okay? Okay.